Okay, so welcome back, welcome back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab one of the bits, like these bits over here, and I think there should be two of these. I'm not sure what's going on, but yeah, I should be able to use this to go in there, and I'm not sure if it's threaded already or not, but if it isn't, they gave us this cool little tool here, I think, and that's what it's for. You can hold up the piece in place and then turn with your hand, although it's not going in very straight, and that bugs me a little bit. Makes my OCD go, no, it must be straight. Anyway, let's see. The only thing that is bothering me right now is that there's only one of these things here.
Likey